this is how we chat from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can force reset or shut down your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or S22 or any other version of phones similar to this OS. Here we have power button. Okay, in this case, so we'll try the old method. We'll hold the power button long time. So the power button is not working anymore. We have BSP at the place of power button. So what we can do in this case, we have to use the volume rocker down button and power button together to hold. Let's try this one is working or not. Press as long as you can and the phone is shut down. So the process is working fine and properly. So what you have to do, volume down button and the power button together. Now I hit the power button to start the phone. Let's see. I press little bit longer. Samsung logo appears here. You see optimizing up, the phone is trying to boot up. Let's see. So the process works properly. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.